You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this confusing word but very interesting word. This is a mode of behavior or way of thought peculiar to an individual. It's pronounced as, it's also a medical term, idiosyncrasy. So you have two slightly different ways of pronouncing it here. Either idia with a schwa sound, an sound, or an o sound, idio. Both pronunciations are correct. So idiosyncrasy, syncrasy, stress on that sin syllable, idiosyncrasy or idiosyncrasy. Both pronunciations are correct. Could you hear the slight nuance here, the little difference? Let me know in the comments. Was this any useful? Let me know as well. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.